Students, welcome to my channel Maths with Pannu. Today I will teach you some trigonometrical ratios. So, first of all, we see here the table of these t ratios in these degrees: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. How we can find the value of the t ratios in these degrees? So first of all, we study the value of sine theta. To find the values, we use a trick. First of all, we write here 0. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4. After writing it, divide all these digits by 4. You can write here 4, 4, 4 and 4. After that, you can take the square root of all these digits. In this way, you can take the square root. You know that when we divide a digit by 0, because when 0 in numerator and 4 is in the place of denominator, 0 by 4, then you get answer 0, and square root of 0 is also 0. And the square root of 4 is 2. We all know that the square root of 4 is 2. So we write here 2, and square root of 1 is 1. And by cancelling it, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, you get 2 in the denominator and square root is held on it, and the square root of 1 is 1. The square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of 3 we can take it as it is, and we are cancelling 4 by 4, then you get 1. So 1 by 1, you can write here only 1. You need not write here the denominator, so you can write here 1. Okay, I repeat my concept. First of all, we write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. First of all, we write here the digits. After that, we divide all the digits by 4 and we take the square root of all this. We all know that with the square root of 4 का जो square root है 2 multiply 2, then you get 2. And you know that square root of 1 is 1, square root of 3 we can take it as it is, and square root of 0 is 0. So by putting all these values, we get these digits. Now we write the table again. So the value of sine theta in place of 0 degree, you can write here 0. 30 degree, you getting it 1 by 2. 45 degree, you get it 1 by root 2. 60 degree, you get it 3 by 2. And for 90 degree, you get 1. Okay. When you find the value of cos theta, take the reciprocal order of it. Means first of all, you write 1 in the first place. 1 is in the last place of sine theta. So you write this one to the first place. You write here 1 as it is. After that, root 3 by 2. And after that, 1 by root 2. And 1 by 2, and in the last you can write 0. Okay, means you take the reciprocal order of these digits. After that, if you find the value of tan theta, then you use the identity sin theta by cos theta, sin upon cos. So you divide these two numbers 0 by 1. 0 by 1. You have to put in your mind this concept. For example, if you divide this 0 by 1, you can see here 0 by 1, then we get 0. And if we divide these two numbers, you can see here 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. By cancelling 2, you get 1 by root 3. Okay, so you can write here 0 by 1 is 0, and by cancelling 2, you can see here you get root 3 because this number is same. When you cutting this number from the numerator and denominator, you get 1, and if you divide, you have seen that when we divide this number by this, by cancelling 2 from its numerator and denominator, you get only root 3, and 1 by 0 you get infinity, because when we divide some digits by 0, any digits, कोई भी digit है, अगर आप उसे 0 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो वो इन्फिनिटी में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है. इन्फिनिटी का मतलब अनडिफाइंड वैल्यू, जिसे हम डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते. 0 by 1 is equal to 0 and 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. Okay, now, and when we write here the value of cot theta, then you only take the reciprocal order as we have done in our previous step. So this arrow shows that you only reverse the order. First of all, जो लास्ट डिजिट है उसे आप अपने फर्स्ट प्लेस पर लिख दीजिए, लाइक इट. You can write here undefined value also, and after that you write here root 3, and this value is 1 by root 3. Okay, and after that 1 and 1 by root 3, and after that you write here 0. And when we find the value of secant theta, you know that secant theta is 1 upon cos theta, means you only reciprocate the values of cos theta, like you have 1. So in the place of 1, you can write here 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is also 1. And by reciprocated root 3 upon 2, then you get 2 upon root 3. 1 by root 2, by reciprocated you get root 2. 1 by 2, you can write here 2 by 1. We are not in need of write here 1, and 0 by 0 is 0. Okay, when we reciprocate it 1 by 0, you can write here infinity. You can write here infinity, yes. After that, cosecant theta, the value of cosecant theta, we write here infinity first of all, after that 2, and after that root 2, 2 by root 3, and then 1. Okay, I repeat my concept. First of all, what we should do, first of all we write the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that सभी numbers को 4 के साथ divide कर दीजिए. उसके बाद उनका स्क्वायर रूट ले लीजिए. ओके, 0/4. I have told you that square root of 4 is 2, square root of 1 is 1, 3 we can take it as it is, and square root of 0 is 0. By putting all these values you get these digits. After that we write the digits. First of all sin थीटा की जो वैल्यूज़ हैं वो लिख लीजिए. जब हमें cos थीटा की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है तो जो 90 डिग्री की वैल्यू है, जो 1 है, उसे सबसे पहले आगे ले आना है यहाँ पर. ओके, जो 90 डिग्री की वैल्यू है उसे आगे ले आइए. फिर उसके बाद वाला जो डिजिट है √3/4 वो आ जाएगा. फिर 1/√2 आ जाएगा. फिर 1/2 आ जाएगा. उसके बाद 0. मीन्स हमें कुछ भी याद नहीं रखना है. क्या याद रखना है? सिर्फ साइन थीटा की वैल्यूज़. और किसी भी टेबल में किसी भी टी रेशियोज की वैल्यू याद रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यू कैन फाइंड इट बाय योर टेबल. एंड जब हमें tan थीटा की वैल्यूज़ फाइंड करनी है तो हमें एक फॉर्मूला यूज़ करना है साइन बाय कॉस. वी यूज़ इट. यू कैन सी इट. आई राइट हियर साइन अपॉन कॉस. उसके बाद क्या करना है? साइन की माइंड में रखिए. साइन की वैल्यू है 0. 0 है तो 0 को न्यूमरेटर में लिख दीजिए और 1 को डिनोमिनेटर में. तो 0/1 क्या हो गया हमारे पास? 0. फिर जब 1/2 को डिवाइड करते हैं √3/2 से तो 2 से 2 कैंसिल और न्यूमरेटर में हो गया 1 और डिनोमिनेटर में √3. दोनों डिजिट सेम हैं तो कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में यहाँ आ जाएगा 1 और 2 के साथ 2 कैंसिल तो √3/1 यहाँ पे आ गया √3 और 1/0 यहाँ क्या आ गया हमारे पास? इन्फिनिटी. जब हमें कॉट थीटा की वैल्यूज़ फाइंड करनी है तो हमें क्या करना है कि tan और cot एक दूसरे के रेसिप्रोकेट होते हैं, उल्टे होते हैं. तो हमें क्या करना है? इन्फिनिटी को आगे लिख लेना है और उसके बाद √3, फिर 1, फिर 1/√3 और फिर 0. जब हमें सीकेंट थीटा की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है तो हमें फॉर्मूला लगाना है 1/cos. जो cos की वैल्यू है उल्टा दीजिए. 1/1 पहली वैल्यू 1, 1/1 1, √3/2 so we can write here 2/√3 and 1/√2 you can write here √2/1, 1/2 you can write here 2 and 1/0 is infinity. You can write here undefined value. एंड उसके बाद जब हमें cos थीटा की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है तो जो सीकेंट थीटा की वैल्यू है इन द सेम वे आप उल्टे ऑर्डर में उसे प्लेस कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ योर टी रेशियोज टेबल. और इस टेबल में आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ साइन थीटा की वैल्यूज़ पर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना है. अगर थोड़ा सा और आप इसे देखें, tan थीटा की वैल्यू निकालें, cot की है इसी से मिल जाएगी. सीकेंट थीटा की निकाल लीजिए, कॉसिकेंट थीटा की इसी से मिल जाएगी और साइन से कॉस की मिल जाएगी. सो दिस टेबल इज़ वेरी इजी. नाउ let's see an example. Okay, how we calculate it, how we can use these values in our questions. For example, you can take any question. Suppose we have a question sine square 45 degree plus secant 30 degree plus tan 45 degree, and we have to find the value of this equation. Now you can see we use the 3 values. हमें एक sin 45 की चाहिए वैल्यू, secant 30 की चाहिए और tan 45 की. So you can see from your table. What is the value of sin 45? Sin 45 is 1/√2 and tan 45 is 1 and secant 30 is 2/√3. Now you use these values in your question We can write here 1 by root 2 because स्क्वायर है, साइन स्क्वायर, तो हम यहाँ पे इसका स्क्वायर लगा देंगे। जो भी इसकी पावर होगी, जैसे इसकी पावर 3 है तो आप 3 लगा दीजिए, 2 है 2 लगा दीजिए, जो भी पावर है वही यूज़ करनी है। उसके बाद द वैल्यू ऑफ सीकेंड 30 दैट इज़ 2 बाई रूट 3 एंड 1045 की जो वैल्यू है वो है 1। Now, by solving it, by cancelling the square rule, we get 1 by 2 plus 2 by root 3 and plus 1. You can take LCM of these digits. So, we can take the LCM 2 into root 3. By cancelling 2, we get root 3. By cancelling root 3, we get 2 2s are 4 and multiplying this by 1 and you get these digits. Okay. Now 2 root 3 and root 3. 2 root 3 plus root 3. You can see here 3 root 3. So we get 3 root 3 and 4. And in the denominator you get root 3. Well, this is our answer. But sometimes we can remove the square root from the denominator. Okay, so by removing it, you can multiply root 3. You can rationalize it. And you know that root 3 by cancelling root, we get 3. So you use 3, 4 plus 3 root 3, multiply root 3 and 2 root 3, we can write here only 3. So, by multiplying root 3 in the braces you get 4 root 3 and in the same way multiplying root 3 by root 3 you get 3 only and you can write here 6. So, you get 4 root 3 plus 9 upon 6. So, this may be your answer. So, this is our T ratios table and there is one example of it and we will discuss its other types in my next videos. Thank you.